Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is the GCSE Maths Higher Grade Boundaries for 2024. Now, before we get started, don't forget to press the subscribe button, like and share with your friends as it does help our channel grow. And also a massive thank you for your continuous support. The comments have been amazing and the feedback has been positive. So let's have a look at the grade boundaries. And also, just a reminder, this is the predicted grade boundaries for June 2024. And in fact, what we can do is we can compare it to last year as well. So this is for the AQA exam board. So to those of you who sat the AQA Maths Higher, this is something that you can work around. So for a grade 9, how many marks do you need for a grade 9? So you're looking at 219 marks. For a grade 8, 193. For a grade 7, 164. For a grade 6, 131. For a grade 5, 96. For a grade 4, 65. And a grade 3, 46. Now, how does this compare to June 2023? So what I can do is I'll just use a different color just to give you an idea. So maybe I can do it in, let's do it in green. So for June 2023, for a grade 9, you needed 214 marks. Grade 8, 186. For a grade 7, 158. For a grade 6, 125. For a grade 4, I just need to double check this actually. 125, yep. And then for a grade 5, 92. For a grade 4, 59. And for a grade 3, 42. Okay, so what you can see is that the grade boundaries are probably going to be slightly higher this year. What is the difference between each grades compared to previous years? So we see, let's do this in a different color. Maybe we can do it in, let's do purple. So there's whoops, what happened there? So let's start off with a grade 9. So we're looking at 5 marks difference compared to last year. For grade 8, you're looking at around 7. By the way, this isn't accurate, it's just an estimate, okay? So it could be around these numbers. For grade 7, it'd be 6 marks. For grade 6, again 6 marks. For grade 5, 4 marks. Grade 4, 6 marks. And a grade 3, 4 marks, okay? So just a reminder, this is just a prediction, and it could be around those numbers, okay? And who knows, it may even be the exact numbers you need. So this is something that you can keep in mind. And let me know in the comment section below, how many marks do you think you've scored for the paper based on our predicted grade boundaries? Because I'm intrigued to find out how you all performed. So thank you all very much for watching this video. If you made it towards the end, please comment, I watched until the end, or in fact, made it until the end, okay? That way I would know you've watched all the way to the end, and I would appreciate it. And also, please kindly subscribe, like and share. If you are interested in our amazing online tuition classes, do consider joining our premium online classes with outstanding, fully qualified UK teachers for maths, English and science. Our spaces are filling up very quickly, thanks to your support through TikTok, through YouTube, etc. So we have received a large influx of inquiries with students who want to get started this September. So if you are interested, contact us via email, easyeducationlondon@gmail.com, or alternatively visit our website, www.easyeducationlondon.com. So thank you very much for watching. Please follow us on all social media platforms at Easy Education London. Thank you very much, and best of luck to those of you who are receiving your results this Thursday. And remember this, your results don't define your future, okay? It's just a stepping stone for the future. And all the best, and I shall see you very soon. Thank you.